Friends, thanks for watching. I'm on the way in my house of my friend, so he just sent the DX18 to Horizon Hobby, his radio. Let's see if this one's work. Let's go to this in the back, in a yard. So now here's everything is set up. We put the receiver on, so right there to try it. So you just wait until this one's battery LiPo battery charge. Look at his charger is very old. This one's the PM Pro Parkmaster. It's been in the business for a long time. Maybe this one's already discontinued. Yeah, you're right.
But it must go the prices that.
Let's do the range test first. We're gonna try this region to do the range test. Let's step a few steps, like 25 feet away. So let's see if this farther. So do it. So it works. Like 30 feet away. Yeah, it works good. We pour it in a little bit up, elevated in the ground. Now we pour it in a real ground. Yeah, it's good. Everything's work. See, it moves. Do it one more time. Spin. Spin it. Yeah, spin normal. That's good.
Frames lost it. That's what you don't want to see. See the 649?
So no more losses. So it means they
No, this number 649. That is the number that you don't want to see.
Oh, that's the wrong that you doubt on it.
You want to change. Let me see how much it was. In full power, you shouldn't get that 652.
The full power. And the 844 is the, what's that app?
Frames.
So that's the frames.
And this is low. So the radio is doing good.
I have noticed they bap or clean the whole unit, most especially the base. It's shiny, polished. And he never poured for a shipping too. Maybe this one is lifetime warranty repairs. What you need to do is ship it out and they bring it back for free. So it binds. So let's see if this one fly normal. We just bind it. Took care of the bind plug. So let's do it.
Parkmaster.
Fly it. So give it a shot after they send the DX8 Spectrum, DX18 Spectrum. Here we go.
Where's the weight? 1, 2, 3.
It flies normal, so maybe the DX18 is Spectrum is already fixed. What they do to the radio, they just clean it and reprogram, right? They upgrade the software for the new software. So it works. You see how the land is very smooth. It's a little bit windy, we land it. So that's the